Welcome to another informative video where we'll be diving into the world of planned maintenance percentage, or PMP. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, here to give you a sneak peek at how you can improve your PMP and reduce reactive maintenance. We'll be exploring how to use a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, to gain asset insights, tips to improve schedule compliance, and the role of condition monitoring. So let's get started. If you're looking to achieve a world-class planned maintenance percentage, you're in the right place. The world-class standard for PMP is 85%. This means that out of all your maintenance hours, 85% of them should be planned, with only 15% being reactive. So, how can you reduce your need for reactive maintenance and improve your team's ability to prevent equipment breakdowns? Let's dive in. Firstly, you can gain more asset insight with a CMMS, or Computerized Maintenance Management System. This tool can help you get ahead of equipment breakdowns by giving you insight into your equipment. With a CMMS, you can log maintenance hours and track tasks performed on individual pieces of equipment. This allows you to see what kind of work has been done on any given asset. For instance, if you're running a warehouse and you notice that many of your maintenance hours are spent performing repairs on your forklifts, this could be a sign that your forklifts need more preventive work to avoid breakdowns. Therefore, better monitoring and preventive maintenance on your forklifts should help you increase your planned maintenance percentage. And here's a tip. UpKeep is one of the many CMMS softwares for maintenance and facilities looking to better track their maintenance data. You can start a free trial at upkeep.com. Next, let's talk about improving schedule compliance. If you are already regularly planning preventive maintenance tasks but still seeing frequent breakdowns, the issue may be with schedule compliance. After all, if your maintenance team isn't completing preventive tasks on time, breakdowns are still going to be likely. There are several ways to improve schedule compliance, and they typically involve streamlining your process. Here are some tips. 1. Take individual skills and training into account when assigning maintenance tasks. 2. Assign appropriate workloads. 3. Eliminate obstacles to completing work in a timely manner. 4. Coordinate with operations crews to facilitate planned maintenance. By streamlining your work processes and helping your maintenance crew keep on top of preventive tasks, you should start to see fewer breakdowns and an improved PMP. Lastly, implementing condition monitoring can take your maintenance management a step further. This strategy involves condition monitoring and predictive maintenance. By using various sensors, you can monitor key pieces of equipment to determine the best time to perform preventive maintenance tasks. This can help eliminate unnecessary PMs, thereby helping you further improve schedule compliance. The end result should be a much more streamlined and effective maintenance process that will be reflected in an improved PMP. So there you have it, folks. With these strategies, you can work towards achieving a world-class planned maintenance percentage. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered how to improve your planned maintenance percentage by using a CMMS, streamlining your work processes, and implementing condition monitoring. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. To learn more about our tools and resources, visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you achieve a world-class planned maintenance percentage.